Welcome, question 27 of WASSCE 2025 of Nigeria Further Mathematics. We are to find the coefficient of the x to the power 3 in the binomial expression of m minus 5x all to the power 7. And this is just looking for that specific term, which is going to be the fourth term in that expansion. So if you check from, I think, episode or question number 16 or so, we deal with binomial expansion, whereby we have n combination r. Okay, let's start it this way. If you have a plus x to the power n, and you're looking for a specific term, it is n combination r, your a n minus r, then x exponent what? R. So this r is the value we are seeing here as 3. So if we are going to substitute, n is the power we are seeing here, so 7 combination r, which is going to be the 3, then the a, which in this case is our m, raised to the power 7 minus what? 3, that will be 4, multiplied by the x, which in this case is negative 5x all to the power r, which will still be what? 3. So what do? We first find 7 combination 3 and see the result. And that will be giving you 35, then m exponent 4. This is the power of 3, which is an odd number, so this will still maintain our negative. So we only pick 5 exponent 3, that will be 125, then x exponent what? 3. You can see this is a constant, so we multiply 125 by the 35, which is still negative here, and that will give us, let's just put it here, this will be equals to negative 4375, then the m raised to the power 4 will come, then x to the power what? 3. This is the variable we are having, so we are looking for only coefficient, what is in front of it. So therefore, the coefficient of x to the power 3 is going to be negative 4375 m exponent what? 4. That will be the value you see. Let's check the possible answers and see. And I think that will go for option A. I'm sure clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 28.